chicka bum, chicka booka chicka bum, chicka booka chicka bum, chicka booka chicka bum, 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 chicka bum. Chicka bum, chicka booka chicka bum, chicka booka chicka bum, chicka booka chicka bum, 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 chicka bum.
Boss has arrived! Uncle, boss has arrived! Uncle, Christina, boss has come! Christina!
Oh, I am fed up with this Peter. I kept something here. It disappeared. Gone. Peter?
Uncle, the boss has arrived.
Is it?
Where? He came in his car.
Come on. Good morning, boss.
Good morning.
You could have informed that you're coming over here. I would have made some arrangements for you.
This was a sudden program.
Anyway, it's good. I'm very happy to see you. Peter, take this baggage to his room.
Peter hasn't changed.
But boss, Peter has grown.
I know. I mean his activities. His mental state.
Oh, that hasn't changed. He's still like a child. What can I do?
How to open this?
Boss, why are you standing here? Please come in. Peter will bring the luggage.
Oh God! Hey, you Peter! Stop! Stop! What the hell do you think you're doing?
Boss, the car dicky is locked. I'm just trying to open it. Shall I?
Stop! Stop! Enough!
Oh, God.
Don't do that. I'll open the dicky.
What? You opened it?
Take the baggage. Lucky, I saw him do it. My God. He could have smashed the dicky.
Is he mad?
No, ma'am. He's not mad. Slightly retarded, that's all.
Matthew? Where's your daughter?
I think she's in the kitchen. Please come, please come, please, please.
Annie? What are you thinking? Nothing. No. I know very well. Tell me, what? Come on. Hey, what's this? Don't cry. Your daddy is in the next room. See, Annie, you should have guts. Then why do you fall in love?
Solomon, how can I see him?
You'll see him. But it's a secret, okay?
I'm so happy, Flory. But when can I see Solomon?
Ah, that's a secret. At least for now, my dear.
Please, Flory, please.
Sorry, dear. I'm going to have my bath. Bye.
Elsie,
Yes, coming.
tomorrow I'm leaving.
Where?
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you. I have planned to buy an estate here. I'll be meeting them tomorrow.
Is it very far from here?
Nearly 20 kilometers.
Funny. Then I'll come along with you.
Elsie, darling. First I'll see the estate. Then I decide the price. After finalizing the business, we'll go together. Is that okay?
Jesus, I got scared.
What are you doing here?
Nothing. Simply sitting.
Why are you simply sitting? Do something, man.
Shall I kill the birds?
Oh no, that's not good. Why kill birds?
Just for fun. You know something? I know skill play also.
Can you teach me?
Oh, sure. But not now. I have some work today. I will teach you tomorrow.
Hereafter, I don't want to talk with you.
Don't be angry. I will teach you tomorrow.
No. I want to learn right now. Tell me possible or not.
Only now I am learning this game.
Oh, Peter, you learn first and then teach me.
Promise. I will teach you. But I don't like to teach Flory.
Matthew, I would like to tell you something. There's a reason for the sudden visit of ours.
I don't understand.
You must know it. This is for you.
Boss, no eyes. No eyes. Only Ra.
Have it. Come on, man.
Then tell me what's the reason?
I planned this trip, not for my purpose.
Then?
For my daughter's future. Yes. I don't want to spoil Annie's life.
Boss, I just can't follow. I cannot understand. You know, I am not that much clever.
Yes, Matthew. My Annie. She has fallen in love with a lover. I'll never allow her. Never. My wish is that my daughter should marry a respectable person in society. Am I right, Matthew?
You're right, boss.
I'm going.
You may go. I'll join later.
Okay.
Matthew, do you know? People are after my money. They don't want me.
Boss, you're imagining things.
Matthew, any more ice cubes?
Just a moment, boss. It's in the fridge. Christina? Christina!
Yes, Daddy? What, Daddy?
Boss wants some ice cubes.
I'll bring it now.
Boss?
See, Mathis, don't spoil her life.
No, boss.
Mathis, you look out for a handsome guy for her.
For that, I need money, boss.
Money?
Yes.
How much money you need? I'll give you, man. I want to see your daughter's peaceful and happy life.
What a nice climate here. Come, dear.
Leave me!
I'm for you, darling.
Elsie, I don't like this. Behave yourself. Go to sleep.
Treat me as your wife. Why do you spoil my feelings?
This is not the time for that. Elsie, please. I have lot of work tomorrow. Just leave me alone.
You don't like me?
No, dear. It's not true. Now, don't irritate me, please.
Boss, tea.
Keep it here. Christina,
Yes.
give me the tea. You're beautiful. Why don't you say something?
Boss, tea.
Christina. Good tea.
Solomon. Hi.
Hi.
Have a nice time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nobody can separate us.
How did you come here, Solomon?
I want to see my Annie. I can, but it's just like a dream.
I am happy now. I was tensed about you.
I know.
Come fast, Glory.
Wait, Peter.
Come.
Peter,
fast.
wait. I want to tell you something.
You can tell it there.
Wait, Peter.
Come. Can you see who he is?
Listen, Peter, listen.
Can you see? I'll kill him.
Okay, go and kill him. No, Peter. I asked you to wait.
Who is he?
I thought of telling you about this. You know, Peter, Annie told me.
She's bluffing.
No, it's true. I promise.
She's never told me this.
She feels shy, that's why.
It's okay.
Annie loves you. She wants to marry you.
Is it true?
If you doubt me, you go and ask her. But not now.
Then?
Come, Peter. I have to tell you something. For what I'm calling you, you know? How to build your body.
Flory, I want to know. Can you tell me what to do for that?
Okay. I'll tell you. Listen. You have to maintain your physique.
For that type of exercise, will this dress suits for me, Flory?
It's very good. You have to wear this dress and you should have 2 eggs per day.
It is very beautiful.
What?
The climate and the place is so beautiful.
Robert, are you seeing this for the first time?
Not that. I'm referring how much this place is so much beautiful. Finally, I got it.
How?
Because you're sitting here. That's why.
Don't make me a fool.
No. I'm saying the truth. Promise.
Am I that much beautiful?
In my looks. Flory,
Yes.
shall I say something?
What?
You look so beautiful. I like you very much. Yes, darling, I love you.
I too. But I'm thinking about Uncle.
At present, I don't want to explore it. It must be a secret, okay?
It's your wish. Peter,
Yes, ma'am?
can you help me?
Ma'am?
Can you help me?
Sure.
Come here. Go and bring me some hot water.
You want it too hot?
Yes.
Okay. Christina, get me some hot water, quick.
For what? To drink?
No, for bath. It's not for me, for ma'am.
Okay.
Quick.
Ma'am, hot water is ready.
Thank you, Peter. Peter, wait. Peter, come on.
Leave me, madam. I want to go. Please, I'm hungry. Please.
Peter,
Madam, I want to
Peter,
go.
please.
I want to go. Please, I'm hungry. Please.
Peter,
Madam, I want to go.
Peter,
I'm hungry.
Peter.
Please.
Come here. I didn't expect you to come in like this. Indecent fellow. See, Funny, what he has done.
You...
I was having my bath. This fellow entered the bathroom and then...
You blackguard! What do you think about my wife?
No, boss.
I'll kill you!
When I came with some hot...
Shut up!
All are bad.
What, Peter?
See my cheek,
Who beat you?
boss. I feel a lot of pain.
Why did he beat you?
I fell down with the hot water on the floor. For that.
Okay, leave it. That boss has no brains. Just leave it.
Yes, I also thought about it. He doesn't have brains. Whatever it is paining. I'll be all right. Shall I give a punch to him?
No, don't do that.
Oh, pain. Shall I go? I feel hungry.
Peter is too playful.
Please, forgive him. You know, he's slightly retarded boy.
That's why I excused him.
What can I do, sir? It's the deathbed wish of my sister that I care for him. All the medical treatment over the years has been of no use. Oh God, I am fed up.
All the same, have an eye on Peter. Because you have a girl. Most of the time I find him behind your daughter.
Peter likes her very much. He looks after her like his sister.
Maybe, but... Matthew, have drink.
No, sir. No ice, sir.
Have it, man.
All I want is a good husband for my Christina. I have no other desire in my life.
You don't worry about that, Matthew. I'm here for you. Cheer up. Have another pack.
Darling, don't you see a change in me?
I don't think so. Mrs. Elizabeth Fernard, what's up?
See, darling, today I'm looking beautiful, no?
Is it really?
Don't be silly. Look into my eyes.
What's in your eyes?
Come on. See my lips.
Please, Elsie. I'm so tired. Go and sleep.
I'm so thirsty.
Go and drink water.
I'm not thirsty for water.
Then,
Darling, what's this?
I should ask you that.
Have I no right to touch you?
Oh, I have no mood, Elsie.
Never. Never in the mood always.
At present, I have to control myself. That's all.
Bullshit. Is that the reason?
Elsie, please don't argue with me. Will you just go to sleep?
I cannot sleep. Am I your concubine? Funny. I'm your wife, not a doll. Mind it.
Right now, I don't want you to become pregnant.
Why? Why not?
We must think about Annie.
Well, Annie is your daughter, but I am your wife.
Look, I don't want a wife. I want a mother for my daughter. To protect her, to love her.
Do you think that I have no affection for Annie?
Do you have? I really don't know.
Well, what do you know about that?
Look, Elsie, your mind is overdosed with sex. My God. You've got to get hold of yourself. Have control.
Enough of your lecture. What are you doing here, Peter?
Can't you see? I'm looking at these photographs.
Okay, we'll call you from tomorrow. Peter, I came here to tell you something. Annie's calling you.
Okay, I'll come afterwards.
She has something very urgent to tell you.
If it is urgent, then I'll come later.
It's about your matter. She wants to see you.
Oh, it's my matter. Then I'll come.
For what?
I'll tell you. After you marry Annie, what are you going to do?
Yes, I will bring her to church. That is the right place.
Not that, Peter. Now you see Annie. Before marriage, she's having rehearsals. Peter, don't you want rehearsal?
Yes, I want.
Then come. I'll take you, Peter.
Christina! Christina! Are you here?
From morning you have been saying hungry, hungry. Where did you go, Peter?
I tell you, my hunger is gone. You know something? Annie told today she's going to marry me. She's good, isn't it? You also like her, no?
Peter.
She told me that she's going to ask her daddy.
Who? Annie?
Yes.
She will cheat you.
No, she's a good girl.
Okay. When are you going to marry her?
That Annie will tell.
Will you call me for marriage?
I feel shy. Annie will tell you.
You don't feel hungry?
Now I feel it.
Then first you have something. After that you can get married. Okay? Daddy, I'm sure about my decision.
Annie,
Yes, I'm Annie, your daughter.
I'll never allow this.
Why? Why can't? I have all qualifications to marry her.
Peter, can you shut your mouth for some time?
Oh, what is this?
He is mad, Daddy. No one can marry him. Who called you to come here? Get lost. Go and treat your madness.
This is not a correct answer. Without my knowledge, something is happening in this house. What is this, Elsie?
You ask your daughter.
What's the Danny?
But don't think that I'm mad. Annie asked me to marry her.
Peter!
Daddy, just for fun I said to him.
Annie!
Don't talk. Daddy, he tried to seduce me once. That I didn't care about. Because, after all, he is a mentally retarded boy.
What did he say? You...
I also want to come with you. But I have to verify some files. You go and see.
Does Matthew know the way?
Yes, he knows.
Uh-huh.
It is very beautiful location. Nice estate. Come soon, okay?
Okay,
Have a
Daddy.
nice trip.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Sonny.
Bye. One moment, ma'am.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Peter? Are you angry with me?
No.
You do one thing. Bring me one pack of cigarettes, okay?
For that, I'll need money.
I'll give you. Take this. See, Peter, don't buy the cigarette in the near shop because it's not original.
You go and search another shop for the same cigarette. It's not too far. Nearly 1 kilometer. That's all. Okay?
Okay.
Go.
Christina, you're beautiful. I like you very much.
Boss, no.
No, you shouldn't say like that. Darling. Oh, my sweet.
No, boss. No.
Hey! Come on.
No.
Please
don't do this.
Come on.
Please.
Come on,
Leave me.
Christina.
Please. Please don't do anything.
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Christina! Open the door! Open! Open! Open the door! Door! Open it! Christina! 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 Open the door! Boss, leave her! Boss! Boss! Leave her! Christina! Boss! Christina! Open the door! Open! Open the door! No! Boss! No! Boss! Christina! Open the door!
I know everything. Don't think that I'm a bloke. I have only been pretending so. I want a special care for my uncle. That's all. But you are a horrible man. You ruined my Christie's life. Peter, you need not tell me anything. I am going to disclose all the rubbish things what you have done to my Christie.
Peter, listen to me.
No, I'm not an ass to listen you.
Don't test my patience, Peter.
I'm going to tell everybody. Even if you threaten my life, I don't care. When I told you I loved your daughter, did you not beat me?
I tolerated all this, but I'm not going to tolerate what you have done. Yes, I'm going to tell everybody. I have taken my decision.
What? What happened? What happened to Matthew?
Christina.
Christina? What happened to her?
For whom I am living? My daughter's gone. Boss. Oh God.
How did it happen? Where is he?
Who?
That mad rascal.
When we reached here, no one was here.
So Peter is not here.
No.
Oh, I see. Now I got it. He is the only reason for this.
Boss, my daughter.
He spoiled your daughter. I told you before. All that time, you didn't take my words. He's mad. Yes. Womanizer. Mathis, I'm not accusing him. You ask them. They will tell you the truth.
Will he do like this?
You don't have belief? First, he tried to hug my wife. After that, he wanted to marry Annie. What's the meaning of that? Now see, no one is here. He got the chance. Oh God, he spoiled a poor girl.
I will wait for him.
No use. I think he has gone somewhere.
Boss,
What?
I took him.
How is he?
He's not like Robert. He's very sincere with his work. But he's little rough.
Okay, where is he?
Sebastian?
Good morning, boss. Good morning. How many years experience you have in this job? 12 years. Where is your license? That I didn't bring because I'm not sure that I'm getting this job. That's why. You are appointed. Thank you, sir. But one thing. You must be punctual and sincere, right? Boss, Sebastian is somehow different. You will realize me after some time. I'm very honored. That's why I got the heavy license also. Okay, you can start now immediately. Very kind of you, sir.
Sebastian, you can stay near the outhouse.
Matthew, all facilities are there, no? Sebastian is somehow different.
Annie, Annie? Where is Annie?
She's in the garden.
No, don't disturb. Sebastian.
You look tight.
Tight? Me? I will get tighter, man. Ha. Okay. You like this place?
I have come only today.
That's right. Still you take my word. You will love this place.
Okay. Now, I would like to ask you something.
What's it?
You know, Sebastian is somehow different. Annie, I think she's going strong with a guy. Am I right?
No word about this.
Why?
That is the problem.
Problem?
It is precisely for this they came over here away from the factory.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Sebastian, Annie fell in love with a guy in the factory. Now, do you get it? Why they are here?
That's the point.
Come on, come on.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Where were you?
Why are you asking me?
You know, Mummy asked me.
I was with Solomon.
Where? Sebastian?
Ma'am?
Come here for a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Come with me. I want you to shift the cupboard.
Okay, ma'am.
Come.
Ma'am.
I love you.
Sebastian is somewhat different.
Annie. I would like to ask you something.
Yes? What's that?
Tell me, Who's the Solomon?
Solomon? Who's that?
Come off it, Annie. You know him better than I do. He's your lover, isn't he? That's okay. It's not a big deal. But there may be complications.
What's that you want now?
Look, Annie, if I demand money from you in this connection, you may give. But you see, Sebastian is somehow different. What I'm looking for is...
Hey! Solo and I are lovers. What do you lose by this?
You're right. I don't lose anything. Well, I'm looking for a small gain in your affair. Don't you understand? Just imagine me telling about your affair, your oochie-moochie affair, to your daddy. What will happen? Are you scared? Don't worry. I'm not going to expose you. If you don't claim to be a pure virgin.
Sebastian, you better watch out. Imagine what would happen to you if my father knows you misbehaved with me. Do you think you will live to see that?
There's no need for this talk. You see, you need Solomon, but I need you. Relax. Relax, baby. Think it over.
My foot. There's nothing to think over. You are a driver. You mind your bloody job, okay?
I'll make you do my own somehow. Watch out, baby. Sebastian is a different person.
Annie, what was the gift for Solomon today?
You naughty. Who's there? Come, let's see.
Elsie.
Why are you so late? I was waiting for you.
You know very well the trouble I take to come here, playing hide and seek.
For me, you have to go through this.
You know, Sebastian is somehow different. For you, I'll sacrifice anything.
What are you thinking?
See, Florrie, this lady is cheating my daddy.
You should have slapped her.
I will not leave this lady alone. I am waiting for the right time. I will teach her a lesson. Yes. I am going to do.
See you.
Bye.
Hello, Auntie. Where's Annie? I think you are angry with me, right? But I have no hard feelings.
Get out! No! Solomon hasn't come here to be sent out. Come on, Solomon.
Bye, Auntie.
Annie, what's the noise there? Is she there?
There will be a lot of noise from her because she always questions about us.
Don't waste your energy. Keep quiet.
Come on, Solomon. Bye.
See you.
Go.
I never knew you were this bold.
A cat becomes a tiger when cornered, doesn't it?
Tell me, how did you do it?
It's a secret.
Tell me, please.
Right now, I am what you want. Save the secret for a later date.
I was listening. So, what do you intend doing?
That's exactly what I was thinking. We should not allow this to continue.
I'll tell you something. Your problem is that Solomon, right?
Yes, that Annie too. That daddy's girl.
If Solomon is taken care of, things will be okay.
But how?
Finish him off.
Sebastian!
Killing Solomon is not a big thing. But I'll do for you only. Sebastian is somehow different.
No, don't do that.
That fellow will always be a menace. The only solution will be, just finish him off. I leave it to you.
My, you are wonderful. That lousy dame was really knocked out.
Oh, she was bossing around a bit too much. So I kept her in her place.
Now, won't she tell your daddy about this?
She won't dare to. She very well knows what would happen to her if she does. Who are you to ask Flory to go out?
That, you go and ask your father.
There's nothing to be asked. Don't think that you are a crown queen. My dad hasn't given you such a power. Mind it.
Maybe. But in the public view, I am your mother, your father's wife.
Why? Mother? Do you know what this means? What right do you have to say this?
Annie, enough of this. Flory in this house, I don't like this.
I like it.
For now, you listen to what I say.
I need not listen to a prostitute. I am my dad's daughter.
Annie!
Yes. Any woman who moves with many men is a prostitute. You are that. You. I'll cut this hand. You at least hereafter try to live as a respectable woman.
I took a decision to travel in your way.
I don't understand.
Yes, we must finish Solomon.
Since the situation came to this extent, there is no use in killing Solomon alone.
Then, what is the solution?
If you want to be secured in your life, you must finish Annie also.
Sebastian!
There's no other way. I am telling all for your sake. She'll be a headache forever.
Whatever it is, why should we go that much crucial?
Okay. Leave it. If you feel that much mercy on her, one day you have to leave this house. Sure. You will be a stranger between them. You know something? Sebastian is somehow different. I'll do anything for my Elsie. You bloody bitch. You scoundrel!
You think I was dead? No. I'm alive. I won't die unless I kill you. Ah! Who is Christina? She was like your daughter. But you tortured her a lot and killed her. Do you think you can escape from this? No. Never. You can't.
Peter, please leave me.
You accuse me of killing her. I am not bothered about that. But why did you fight her?
Matthew, please ask him to leave me. Please, I'll beg you. I'll beg you, Matthew. Please, Matthew. Forgive me. I spoiled Christina. I made mistake. I agree. For that, I regret for it. Please, save my life. Peter, no.
Uncle, he's the culprit.
I understood all.
Yes. You didn't forget me? Good. The same mad Peter. Slightly mentally retarded. Millionaires like you are the main players. Who treat poor innocents like a dog. But don't forget, one day, the innocent will become a giant. Like me! Pooh!